Welcome back, everybody. You may have been wondering where I was. Well, I was on a short vacation. Um, Last week I celebrated my birthday, so I decided to spend some time with the family and just recharge a little bit before we go into this World Cup qualifying campaign. Um, like a lot of you, I'm still not sure how this will go, and a lot of that skepticism is based off of just some things that we see going on, plus um, I say results from the Gold Cup or the performances from the Gold Cup. I'm still wishing for the best, but I'm not very optimistic, to be honest with you. All right. So I have some news coming out now that is very important that I need to go over because I'm the kind of person that like to pay attention to the details. It's a segment of an article from the Jamaica Gleaner. I think this was from day before yesterday, a couple of days ago. All right. The GFF president Michael Ricketts says that while spectators will not return to the national stadium for the FIFA World Cup qualifiers, he is cautiously optimistic about their return for future games. Ricketts confirmed that the first World Cup qualifying game against Panama at the National Stadium on September 5 will be played without spectators. The decision comes as Jamaica is experiencing a rapid increase in COVID-19 cases, which has led to recent tightening of the curfew hours by Prime Minister Andrew Holness. So here we go again. We see the COVID-19 pandemic affecting our football negatively. All right. In June, Ricketts said he wanted 5,000 fans in the stadium for the match, but at that time, the daily number of cases was still in double digits. However, yesterday, the Ministry of Health and Wellness reported 656 new cases for Saturday. So this article came out on Sunday. All right. A positivity rate of 38.4% and 15 fatalities. The positivity rate has gone up since then, and I think it has come back down a little bit. Still don't know if it has come back down beyond the 38.4%, but don't quote me on that, right? Numbers that Ricketts said left them no choice but to push back the timeline for spectators returning. It's a hard pill to swallow, but it is understandable. It's not what we wanted, but it's the circumstances that we are given, and we have to deal with it. All right. We have some quotes, direct quotes here now from Sir Ricketts. This was certainly beyond our reach, and it is unfortunate because we would have loved to have some support in the stadium. True, sir. Ricketts told the Gleaner. Initially, we toyed with the idea of only having vaccinated persons in the stadium, but with this spike, which really seemed to be getting out of hand, we have to take the nation's well-being to heart. So we will have no spectators in the stadium for the first game against Panama on September 5th, but we certainly will see what will happen thereafter. I'm just going to stop there for now. Very disappointing news. I am extremely disappointed. We already knew this was a strong possibility, and where we are now with the state of the pandemic in the country on the rise, it may be the best decision. Will it help us on the field? Definitely not. So let's see how we proceed from here. Another thing to take note of is that we play Mexico without any fans in their stadium either because of a ban for offensive chant that they repeatedly have used. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And guys, remember to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. All right?